Good morning, everyone. Dr. Manuel Valera, and I'll be your instructor this semester. And in this short video, I'm going to give you an outline of the class and going to introduce myself. And so let's just get going. I'm going to switch to my slides to show you and sharing my screen now. And now let's just do the slides where I have prepared a few slides just to show you what we are going to be doing this summer. Okay, so this is Physics 201, and this is the summer of 2023. And as I said, my name is Dr. Manuel Valera, and I'll be your instructor this summer. This class is 4 weeks. Basically, we're starting today, and then we're finishing by the end of May. So my contact info, so the easiest way for you to reach me would be by email. So just send me an email, but please try to send most of your email during office hours, as during the evenings or weekends, I might not get back to you as quick as possible. So just please keep that in mind. I'm also going to have office hours every day from 1 to 2 p.m., but we can have extra office hours if you cannot make that time. So just send me an email if you need different times, or if this doesn't work for you. So the Zoom link is going to be this one here. So you can click here on this link, and then you will get to my office hours where I'll be ready to answer your questions. So let me give you an outline of the class. This is an introductory physics class. So we're going to study the basic ideas that make physics possible. It's an algebra-based class. That means you need to know a basic algebra, high school algebra, and also basic trigonometry. If you have trouble with this, just come to my office hours and we can do a quick review. It's an asynchronous class, that meaning that I'm going to post videos, but no lecture is going to happen live except for the office hours. Everything else is going to be asynchronous, so you can watch the videos and do the reading in your own time. And the class will be broken into 4 modules. We're going to do 1 module per week. The first module is going to contain kinematics in 1 and 2 dimensions. The second module is going to contain ideas of force, Newton's laws and applications of Newton's law. Energy and momentum is going to be our third module, and the final module is going to be rotational motion, torque, equilibrium, and fluids, which are some applications of Newton's laws and energy. So as I say, this is 1 module per week. And so each module is going to have different activities for you to see. So the weekly work for each module, you're going to have some readings, and the readings are taken from your textbook, which is a free textbook from OpenStack, and the link is on D2L. There's going to be some lecture videos produced by me. Also, there's going to be some videos where you work on homework problems and how to solve tutorial problems. There's going to be an assigned homework. The homework is on WebAssign, and I'll show you how to get there in a minute. And there's going to be some labs that you have to complete and upload to the Dropbox. And there's going to be a final exam. Let me switch now to our D2L page. So this is the D2L page that you're going to be seeing every week. So let me just switch to a student view so you can. So this is similar to what you would see here. If there is any news or any announcements, I'll have them here. So most of your due dates will be given here. I'll try to keep this updated. So if you switch to the content, Let's see what we have there. So we would have in this here, we have the syllabus, my office hours, the Zoom link that you can come, and instructions on how to sign for the online system. This is a link to the physics textbook, OpenStack. You can click here and then you'll be sent straight to that page. And you need to allow your browser to have pop-ups. So if you don't know how to do that, just come to my office hours and we can try to fix it. This is a free textbook. It's really good. It's really nice. And then we can work on that. So go back here. So the next topic in the content is the homework. So if you click here and then you click on this link, then you're going to be sent to a page where you can register or do the homework. And so right now there should be a homework assigned. Let me just see my classes. This is the class here. And so far we have one homework assigned and the homework has 3 parts. So you should be able to see this. What you're going to see here is different from what I'm seeing because I have an instructor view, but we can click here and view as a student. So then you go here. Well, you should have probably one class if you haven't used WebAssign. And so and these are your assignments. So you can see that you have already 3 set of activities for the first homework and 2 set for the second homework. So these ones are due in a week and these ones are due in 2 weeks. And there's gonna be a few more coming for the last 2 modules. So I need to do one more thing here. Okay, so that is the online homework system. If you have any questions about that or comments, just come and see. And here you have the material for the first 2 modules. This is module 1 for this week and module 2 for next week. In each material is going to have roughly the same structure. You're going to have lectures and readings. So here you have, these are the links to your readings. These are links to sections in the books. Don't be afraid that there's too many. These are easy readings. And then, so these are the lectures. So if we click here, then we would have the readings, and then you go onto this link here, and then you would have the video lectures that are made by me with the corresponding slides. And then we have 3 topics that we want to cover the first week: units, motion in 1 dimension, and motion in 2 dimension. Then you have tutorials, and the tutorials have a bunch of videos with problems solved. This might help you. I advise that you watch most of them. Some are from Khan Academy to give you a feeling for a different type of problem solving technique. And these are from Dr. Shavitz, which is another faculty in our department. Then we have the homework here. This is just a placeholder to tell you that there is a homework due. And then finally, we have the labs. And the labs you have to complete. And then there is a due date for them that is here. And then you go on to module 2, and then you have again readings here, and then you have tutorials, and also you have the video lectures. These are video lectures for chapter 4 of the book, and these are video lectures for chapter 4 and 5. So here we cover 3 topics, which are Newton's laws, applications of Newton's law, and circular motion and centripetal force. There's your tutorials and your homework. So the last thing that I want to tell you before I close this video is let's go on the syllabus, which you should read. And then let's see how the evaluation works out. So each module is going to have a homework. Each homework is due worth 17% of your grade. The labs are worth 10% of your grade, and the final exam, which we'll have at the end of the 4 weeks, is 22% of your grade. Okay, this is a quick introduction to the class. Please send me an email or come to my office hours if you have any questions, and I hope to see you soon, and I hope you have fun in this class. Thank you.